What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new day in Los Angeles. I am here with my boy, Samuel. Hey, what's up, Samuel?
What's up?
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Samuel. I'm from Colombia. And I met Anthony in like 2019.
Where?
In San Francisco.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, San Francisco.
In 2019, I met mi socio, Samuel.
Oh, yeah.
And we met again after...
In 2021.
Oh, okay. In San Diego.
In San Diego.
Wow, California.
Now we're making some agua panela from Brand and Anthony.
Agua panela.
Yeah.
Es una bebida de Colombia, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
So, well, like with Samuel, we always speak, mostly like Spanish, but also today it is going to be in English. Pero this look like a chocolate, no? Son! Wow.
Yeah.
Guys,
Now we
this
eat
is
it.
like a traditional drink from Colombia. ¿Es una bebida tradicional o qué?
Ajá, tradicional, sí, agua panela.
Wow, look at that, guys.
It's simple. It's got lemon.
How do you make it?
You buy the panela,
Uh-huh.
and then you put it in water.
Yeah.
You boil it, and that's it.
Wow.
And that's it.
You are the man of the house, son. Samuel, me puede como... Oh, can you tell us a little bit about how is the life here in LA?
Life in LA. Life in LA has a lot of different aspects to it, It's got a vibe of a big city, a lot of people trying to just make it, A lot of different good things, a lot of different bad things, just like everywhere else. But yeah, it's okay, man. I mean, I'm grateful to be where I'm at. But yeah, it's also got its issues, A lot of different
Which type of issue, for example?
issues. I think the part of a lot of people trying to make it, the inequality. A lot of people have so much money, and so many people don't have anything.
Yeah.
That's one of the issues. I feel like.
Okay.
Yeah,
Definitely.
that's definitely one of the issues.
So there is like a huge gap between the
huge
poor
gap.
and the rich.
Yeah, huge gap.
Wow.
Huge gap. There's also a lot of traffic.
A lot of what?
Traffic.
Traffic,
A lot of traffic.
Oh yeah, because you are either right, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about like, do you feel safe here, son, or?
Yeah, I mean, as a man, it's different. I think I feel pretty safe, normal. But I think maybe for a woman it might be different. I think maybe a lot of women don't really walk by themselves at night, or like in many places they don't walk by themselves at night, stuff like that.
And why so?
There's a lot of people maybe on the street that I don't know. There's because of a lot of mental health issues and stuff like that. Some people don't feel safe. I generally feel safe where I am, but yeah, maybe for some people it might be different.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. But yeah, it's a cool place.
It makes sense, yeah.
It's got a lot of different. You can find a lot of different food.
Yeah,
a lot of different things to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a city, It's a city in the U.S.
Yeah. So you move from San Diego, yeah?
Yeah.
San Diego to Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Wow. So guys, for those who don't know, San Diego is a city down south, maybe 2 hours, no? Or 3 hours?
Yeah, 2 hours.
2 hours, yeah?
Yeah.
It is next to the border with Mexico.
It is, yes. With Mexico.
When was the last time you went to Tijuana?
The last time I went to Tijuana was 2024. So this year.
Okay.
Probably like March.
¿Te fuiste a mirar como un partido de fútbol?
Yeah,
¿o qué?
partido de fútbol.
Wow, qué chingón.
De los Cholos.
De los Cholos.
Cholos.
Wow.
Los Cholincuinceles de Tijuana.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, pa.
Alright guys, so this is where I am going to stay tonight. And yeah, it is definitely nice to catch up with Samuel. And yeah, I am definitely going to take a break as well from the airport. That is for sure. Guys, we are going to go for a late dinner with Samuel. Because son is hungry. Yeah.
Couldn't make a decision.
Pero siento que este carro es como nuevo, ¿no? Pero no, es como
Sí,
el de siempre.
es el de siempre.
Wow, pero qué original. Se ve como... It looks like new, you know?
Yeah, bro. Trying to take care of it.
Yeah, definitely.
Even though I use it so much.
Oh, really? Guys, we made it to a place where we are going to get some Mexican food. So we got here some torta, burritos, papa rellena, nachos,
Buenas, ¿cómo estás?
tacos. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh, we had son? Okay. So this is some typical food from Mexico.
La harina de maíz.
Cualquier de los dos, ¿verdad? ¿Como de maíz?
¿Cuántas? Ok, ¿cómo?
¿Me pueden regalar como las quesadillas de queso?
Ajá, es de este tamaño la
Ah, solamente de queso. Y un poquito con como cebolla y todo. Sí, listo, está bien.
Y a mí, si me puedes dar unos 3 tacos de pastor. Sí.
What's up, guys? A really good morning from my friend's house. So this is where I slept for the last couple of days at Samuel's place. And yeah, guys,